Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today, inshallah, we are learning one ayat from Holy Quran and a zikr. All that is just to develop, to progress, to promote the business that you are to start. Any business, if you want to start, you must try to do istikhara. Istikhara means the consultation with Allah, that this business is better for me or not better for me, according to Islam. So if it comes that it is better for you, then you have to start the business with the blessings of Allah, and then you have to read this ayat of Holy Quran in the morning prayer, Fajr prayer. After Fajr prayer, you have to read this ayat 141 times. Start and end with Durood Salam to Holy Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So this ayat is from Holy Quran, Surah Luqman, ayat number 26. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Lillahi ma fis samawati wal ard. Inna Allaha huwal ghaniyyul hamid. Lillahi ma fis samawati wal ard. Inna Allaha huwal ghaniyyul hamid. Lillahi ma fis samawati wal ard. Inna Allaha huwal ghaniyyul hamid. Now we translate it. Lillahi, for Allah. Ma fis samawati, whatever is in the skies or in the heavens, that is for Allah. Wal ard, and what is on the earth, that is also for Allah. Inna Allah, no doubt, Allah, huwal ghaniyyu, Allah has no need of anything. Allah is free from every need. Hamid, He is praiseworthy. So everyone is busy in praising Allah except human beings and the demons, because these are under test, under examination. All other creation of Allah is busy in the zikr of Allah, in praising Allah. So this ayat is Lillahi ma fis samawati wal ard. Inna Allaha huwal ghaniyyul hamid. To Allah belongs whatever is in the heavens and on the earth. Indeed, Allah has no any need. Praiseworthy. So this ayat, if we read every day after Fajr prayer, Fajr namaz, Fajr salat, 141 times, start and end with Durood Salam to Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, inshallah, your business will prosper, will promote, and will giving you good and excellent return, and you will be happy, inshallah. Similarly, if you want that it should promote every day, then you have to pray 5 times a day. After every salah, you have to read these 3 names of Allah at least 11 times. Ya Basito, Ya Wahabo, Ya Rizaq. Ya Basito, Ya Wahabo, Ya Rizaq. Ya Basito, Ya Wahabo, Ya Rizaqo. So you have to read these three names of Allah after every salah 11 times. Inshallah, your business will be promoted. Inshallah, it will give you the good return and you will get the halal business, purity in it. No problem, no haram will come in it. And Allah's blessings will be in that one. Inshallah. And the other thing which is very important, so those are some 12 more steps you have to keep in mind and you have to act upon what I am telling you now. Then this business will be promoted completely, will not be destroyed, will not be collapsed, will not come in recession. You will be better, inshallah. So the first thing for that, you have to look at your precautions or the special protective measures I am telling now. So these are very, very important in order to promote your business. The first thing, don't tell a lie. The second thing, don't mix up in pure things like the business. If you are selling some commodity, you are not to mix something in that. So you have to sell the pure things. And if there is something in the business, in the commodity, you have to tell the customer that this is involved in it. You have to tell clearly what is in the thing which is to be sold. So you have to tell the properties of the qualities of that thing to the customer. Then inshallah that will be good. So the third thing, you are not to hold the things. Holding is not good, because you people, they are just to hold that the things, the price will increase, then I will sell it that after. That is no, that is not allowed. And you have to sell the present commodity and don't feel holding. So inshallah then it will be better. The fourth thing is, don't deceive anyone, don't cheat anyone. So you have to be clear and honest businessman. The fifth thing, you have to be away from all types of sexual evils, even if it is sexual intercourse or any type of lavatat or some other things. So any type of sexual evil, you have to be away from it completely and fully. So inshallah you will be better. Otherwise, if any type of sexual evil involved, that will take your business complete destruction and trouble will be there and haram will come, then halal will go away. Number 6, you must be obedient to your parents and get dua from them every time. And number 7, you have to look after your relatives, neighbors, and the needy people. Help them. That is very important for promotion of your business. Number 8, you have to look after the working which is beneficial for the people as a whole. So like road work, like library, like some schools, some colleges, some madrasa, some type of business, some type of projects which are good for the whole people. So these are the work, like how much you can help, you have to help them also. Number 9, if someone comes before you and asks for money, like the beggars or some other people, if they are just before you and ask for money, ask for something, you are not to disappoint them and not to say them like in a rude way. So you have to respect them and you have to give whatever you have. So don't talk with them aloud. Don't insult them. Don't abuse them. Don't say anything which is against the level of respect. So respect them, and whatever you have to give them. If they are beggars or someone, so you have to do according to Holy Quran. If you are your behavior is rude with them or you are abusing them, your business will flop. So this way you have to respect them. Whatever you have to give them. Otherwise, you leave them in a respectful way. Number 10. When you help someone, you have to forget. Think that you have given this one to Allah. And don't think that you have done ihsan on that person. If you say the person that I helped you that time, I have done ihsan on you, so your reward of that good deed will finish and your business will also flop. So this way, when you give away something to someone, just forget. Think that I have given this one just to Allah. Number 11. In business, you have to be soft, not hard, with your subordinates, with your servants, or with the other business officials, or other business partners, or other business persons. So you must be soft and good, not to be hard, not to be rude, not to be aggressive. So you must be like a nice person and not to be proud but humble, nice person, and must respect the elders and must respect the small people like children and some others. So give away something just for gift to them, encourage them also. And the 12, the last thing, you have to find out the people of taqwa, the good people, and then try to give away some gift to them and go personally to give away gift to them. If they are not receiving, you have to lie down there, say, I am sitting here unless you will not receive it, I am not going, please. And you have to accept this is halal earning, this is, and I am just giving you this. If the people of taqwa, they can receive something from you, and that must be usable thing, and when they will use that one, so when they look that one from their heart, dua will come to you, and that dua will make your rizq of this world and the world hereafter better, inshallah, and Allah's blessings will fall with this dua, and that is very important also. So you have to look after what I told you, these points also, and after every salah you have to read 11 times Ya Basitu, Ya Wahabu, Ya Rizaqo, and every day in the morning, after morning prayer, you have to read this ayat, Lillahi ma fi samawati wal ard, Inna Allaha huwal ghaniyyul hamid, 141 times. So, start and end with Durood Salam to Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Inshallah, you will feel the best benefit of it, and you will see the business prosperity, promotion, and barakah in that one, inshallah. Allah gave us tawfiq to use our mind just according to the lines which is dictated by Islam, or which is parameter that we got from Sharia, and we have to do it completely and fully in order to be successful in this life and the life hereafter. Inshallah, Allah will give us reward. Ameen.